After 12 long years, the Mahakumbh is being held in Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh, providing an important opportunity to showcase Indian culture to the entire world. The divinity, the grandeur of the Mahakumbh will not only be visible at the Sangam, but will begin as soon as one enters Prayagraj. Grand entrance gates have been constructed on all the major roads leading to the city, which will offer devotees a deep sense of Indian spirituality. The entrances leading towards Sangam Nagar are named Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati and Neelkant. While 3 of these gates were originally constructed during the 2019 Earth Kumbh, they have now been renovated for this time. The total cost of this renovation is reported to be around 19 crore rupees. Take a look at the mood on the ground.
Well, as millions are expected to take holy dip, security is paramount. Security has been heightened in Prayagraj, not just on land, but also underwater. And to carry out this monumental task of securing people and devotees who are coming to Prayagraj, at the base level, you can see that multiple checkpoints have been made to regulate entry. You can see the barricades and the presence of police personnel all around this area. There are 7 layers of security right from this starting point till Sangam. That is where people take holy dip. That is the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Secondly, advanced surveillance is being done, in fact, using AI-based CCTV camera, AI-based drone and also face recognition camera on each and every pole. Right from the start till you reach Sangam, you will see CCTV camera, you will see drones flying in and around this area as well. And police is keeping a hawk eye on the devotees that have come here from control and command center. In fact, on all the CCTV cameras as well. And there, very importantly, there is a 3rd layer of security, that is the river security. And you will in fact be amazed to know that how the Sangam is being secured. Now here you can see this is the boat by UP Police. Now to secure the river as well, there are underwater drones. There are in fact deep water barricading along a 8-kilometer stretch. There are 3 water police stations, 2,500 water police personnel is what we are learning at.
And viewers, this time a special care is being taken for the convenience of the devotees. A 15-kilometer Ganga river front has been built in the Mahakumbh area. After its construction, the devotees coming to Mahakumbh will not have to face the traffic jams in the city. Devotees will reach Mahakumbh directly from the outskirts of the city, and this has cost around 213 crore rupees.
We are here in Sangam, in Prayagraj, the place that is all set, all decked up to host the Poon Kumbh, happening after a gap of 144 years. This time around, estimate says that around 40 crore believers would be here to take the Sahi Snan that will take place about 6 times between 13th of January to 26th of February. The first one being 13th and 14th of January, the most auspicious Snan that will take place during this Kumbh. Here, I'll ask my camera person Yogesh to show around that how people from different parts of the world have started coming in and, wants to be part of this Mahakumbh. Let's try and talk to a few people here. Ma'am, where are you from?
I am from Pratapgarh.
आप प्रतापगढ़ से हैं, अब आप यहाँ आई हैं। कुंभ परसों से शुरू होने वाला है, आज 10 तारीख है। किस तरीके से आप यहाँ पे आई हैं? आप पहले भी आई हैं इलाहाबाद?
जी, आ चुके हैं।
आप पहले प्रयागराज आ चुकी हैं?
जी जी जी।
इस बार पूर्ण कुंभ है, 144 साल में पहली बार हो रहा है, तो क्या जो यहाँ पे भक्त आ रहे हैं उनका क्या मानना है, किस तरीके से तैयारियां हुई हैं यहाँ पे?
बहुत अच्छी तैयारी है भैया, और बहुत ही अच्छा लोग मतलब प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं। जैसे नहाने की व्यवस्था है, हर चीज, टॉयलेट बना हुआ है, वॉशरूम बना हुआ है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, चाहे लेडीज हो चाहे जेंट्स हो, सबके लिए सारी सुविधाएं इक्वल हैं। यहाँ नहीं कोई VIP है, ना छोटा ना बड़ा, सब इक्वल होके आके नहा रहे हैं और नहा के अपना जा रहे हैं, दर्शन कर रहे हैं। और मतलब बंद किया हुआ है, थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है आने में, थोड़ा ज्यादा लंबा चलना पड़ रहा है, लेकिन सही है वो।
कितने दिन रहेंगे आप प्रयागराज में?
नहीं, रहने नहीं आए भैया, प्रतापगढ़ पास में है तो हम चले जाएंगे, फिर आएंगे नहाने।
आप फिर आएंगे. So you heard it here. She's one of the devotees who have come to Prayagraj from Pratapgarh, and now you'll see. I'll ask my camera person to give you a 360 view of Sangam where we are standing right now to show you that how things have started shaping up. 48 hours still for the Kumbh to begin. 13th is when it will begin, but the administration, be it the police, be it the SDRF, be it the PAC, all of them have buckled up to ensure that everything goes smooth in Prayagraj, given that this would be one of the world's most biggest, largest gathering in the history.